Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you the new installation directory for Claude for Windows. So starting with version 1.2773, the installation location for Claude Desktop for Windows has changed. So let's dive into it. So prior to this update, the installation directory for Claude was this C:\users, your username, AppData, local, Anthropic Claude, and Claude.exe. But if I go to this directory now, you'll find that there's nothing there. So if I try to go here, it's going to say I can't find anything. And if I just manually browse, let's take this off, you can see the Anthropic folder is no longer there. So the old install location is no longer the same. So the best way to find out what the new install directory is to open up PowerShell and run this command. So if you want to run PowerShell as admin, you can just type in PowerShell or terminal in your start menu and run as administrator. Or my preferred method is just run terminal from the start button here by right-clicking that and hitting terminal admin. And then we'll just pop over here, and I have already ran the command here. So basically get-appx package space -name space then Claude. And so it gives you the details of the app, and here you can see the version number as well. But here's the install location. They have switched it to being under Program Files, Windows Apps. So if you copy this out and open up your File Explorer again, you should be able to just paste that right in here and find the directory. Now, one thing I would say is if you are just trying to type this in manually, you're likely going to get a permission error. And so I would recommend just pasting the whole directory in your File Explorer bar, and you should be able to get to where you need to go. So if you go into the app folder, this is where you'll actually find the application itself. So why is it important to know where Claude is installed? So one thing that's nice, if you know where Claude is installed, is the ability to add it to your desktop as a shortcut. So you can right-click Claude, hit send to desktop to create a shortcut. I think I already have mine already on my desktop. Let me double check. Yes, it looks like I do back behind the recording bar here. There we go. So yeah, here's the Claude shortcut here. Also, occasionally Claude will disappear from the start menu. And so if you want to bring Claude back on the start menu, you can go down here to run and then do shell programs to open up your start menu. And then what you would want to do is copy over this shortcut. So you can say show me more options, and you would just want to send to desktop again, copy that, and then you can just copy this shortcut over into that startup folder, sorry, the programs folder. So you can just pop this right in here, and then you got your Claude shortcut back. Right here you can see Claude reappeared. Okay, and the AppData settings location still exists. So if you go AppData and then Claude, this is where your settings are stored. So that location still exists, but the normal Windows installation directory has changed with this update in April 2026. If you ran the get-appx package command in PowerShell and it doesn't return anything, there is a chance you're running the old executable version or squirrel package. So you may want to go to the download section on Claude's website and install the latest version. If you have any questions on how to find your Claude desktop install location for Windows, please put a comment in the section below, and I'm happy to assist if you have any issues. Thanks for watching.